Welcome to today's video. Germany is famous for its castles, cars, beer, and football. But today we're diving into something even more exciting: German food. Some dishes are absolutely amazing, comforting, rich, and full of tradition. And others, well, let's just say they might challenge your taste buds, your courage, and even your stomach. So in this video, we're counting down the top 10 tastiest German foods, followed by the top 10 worst German foods that many tourists struggle to enjoy. Let's begin. Number 10 is currywurst. We start our list with the legendary street food from Berlin, currywurst. Slices of sausage covered in a sweet and spicy curry ketchup sauce. It's fast, cheap, and incredibly satisfying. For many Germans, it's the taste of childhood. For tourists, it's often love at first bite. Number 9 is Spätzle. Soft, chewy German egg noodles, usually served with melted cheese. Imagine macaroni and cheese, but richer, creamier, and somehow even more comforting. It's the perfect winter dish, warm and filling. Number 8 is the pretzel. A classic German britzel has a crispy exterior and a soft, warm interior. It's lightly salty, smells amazing, and pairs perfectly with mustard or beer. Simple, but legendary. Number 7 is German potato salad, Kartoffelsalat. Unlike American potato salad, the German version is usually served warm with vinegar, onions, and herbs. It's tangy, flavorful, and surprisingly refreshing. Every family has their own secret recipe, and they all claim it's the best. Number 6 is Schnitzel. Crispy, golden, and satisfying. A thin piece of meat, breaded and fried to perfection. The moment you bite into a fresh schnitzel, you hear that crunch, and you instantly understand why it's a national favorite. Number 5 is Bratwurst. Grilled sausage, smoky, juicy, and bursting with flavor. You'll find it at Christmas markets, festivals, and street stands all over Germany. 1 isn't enough, 2 is normal, 3 means you're having a good day. Number 4 is Sauerbraten, a slow-cooked, marinated pot roast that becomes unbelievably tender. The long cooking process gives it deep flavor, and the gravy is incredibly rich. This is the ultimate Sunday dinner for many German families. Number 3 is Black Forest cake. Layers of chocolate cake, cherries, whipped cream, and a touch of cherry liqueur. Number 2 is doner kebab. Although inspired by Turkish cuisine, the modern doner kebab was invented in Berlin. It's juicy, spicy, fresh, and incredibly popular. Today, it's the number 1 fast food in Germany, enjoyed by millions. Number 1 is Rouladen. The crown goes to Rouladen, thin strips of beef rolled with mustard, onions, bacon, and pickles. Slow cooked until tender. The flavors blend into something unforgettable. It's rich, warm, comforting, and deeply traditional. Now we'll explore top 10 worst German foods. These aren't necessarily bad. They're just foods that many visitors struggle with due to unusual textures, flavors, or ingredients. Number 10 is Weisswurst skin. Weisswurst is a tasty Bavarian sausage, but you're not supposed to eat the skin. If you do, you'll end up chewing forever. Most tourists don't know this, which leads to a very unpleasant surprise. So yes, delicious, but a terrible experience if you eat it wrong. Number 9 is lapskaus, a strange-looking pink mash made from corned beef, potatoes, and onions, often served with pickled herring. It tastes better than it looks, but that's not saying much. Many people can't get past the appearance. Number 8 is blood sausage, Bratwurst. This sausage is literally made with pig's blood. The taste is iron-rich and very strong. Some people love it, but most visitors do not. Number 7 is roll mops. Pickled herring rolled around onions or pickles. It's extremely sour and extremely fishy. Many Germans eat it to cure hangovers. But if you're not used to it, it might feel like a punishment. Number 6 is handkäse, a sour, rubbery cheese with a very strong smell, often served with raw onions. The aroma hits you before anything else. If you open this in public, people will definitely notice. Number 5 is Selmegen. This dish uses a pig stomach as a container and fills it with potatoes and meat. The flavor is mild, but the idea of eating stomach lining is too much for many people. Number 4 is Sülze, meat and jelly. Pieces of meat trapped inside a block of clear gelatin. Yes, it jiggles. Yes, it looks strange. And yes, it's definitely not for everyone. Number 3 is stale Quarkbällchen. Fresh Quarkbällchen German donut balls are amazing, but when they sit too long, they become rock hard. Biting one feels like chewing gravel. They go from delicious to dangerous very quickly. Number 2 is Schweinskopf, boiled pig's head. In some areas, the entire pig's head is served on a plate. Cheeks, snout, ears, everything. It's very traditional, but it's also quite shocking to see the face staring back at you. Number 1 is sauerkraut juice. Not sauerkraut, not cooked cabbage. The juice, the liquid left over from fermentation. Some Germans drink it for health. Tourists usually drink it by accident. And immediately regret it. This is perhaps the most extreme flavor on the list, and that brings us to the end of today's countdown. Germany has some of the world's most comforting, delicious dishes, but also some of the most unusual culinary experiences you'll ever encounter. Which food would you try? Which one would you absolutely avoid? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our next adventure. Thanks for listening, and we'll see you in the next video.